Suddenly, the alarm clock rang loudly. Lila stretched and tried to go back to sleep, but her mom, Chida, opened the door and gently asked her to get up. When Lila didn't move, Chida pulled the blanket away. After getting ready, Lila went to the kitchen where breakfast was waiting. While Lila ate, Didou jumped onto a chair and stared at the fish in the aquarium. Oops! Suddenly, the cat jumped into the water. Lila and her mom were shocked. Later, in Lila's bedroom, she wrapped Didou in a towel and dried him with a hairdryer. Her mom stood next to her, holding her school bag that Lila would be late. After many delays, Lila finally left for school. She hugged her mom goodbye and walked in the rain to catch the bus. At school, Lila told her friends the funny story about Didou and the aquarium. In the evening, back at home, they shared crepes and talked about the day, smiling together. Sometimes, when we hurry too much, unexpected things happen. But these moments often become the best memories.